Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, the 8th wonder of the world. Hope you are all doing good. Please like and subscribe the channel for more information on interesting stocks available to investors. Comment below if you have heard about the company and share more inputs about the company and this industry. Volume of 5,735. Price to book value of 1.87. 52-week high of rupees 18.40 and 52-week low of 4 rupees 28 paise. Trailing 12-month EPS of rupees 0.13, book value of 8.50 and face value of rupees 10. Now return analysis. The company has 1-year return of 15.14%, which outperformed the Sensex by 40.2% and sector by 22.83%. The company has not paid any dividends for the last several years. The company has a beta of minus 0.02 with Sensex, which is very low. Stock return versus Sensex. This chart talks about the absolute returns of stock and Sensex. 1 month return of the company is 32.69%, 0.03. 3 months return is 121.03, which is really high, considering many stocks have come down during this period. The stock has beaten the Sensex returns all throughout these periods, except for the 10-year returns, where the Sensex has given 158.91% compared to 17.12% for this company. Shareholding analysis. The shareholding pattern is for the period March 2019. The promoters have a holding of 43.8%. Lokesh Tayal has 10.87%, having the highest promoter holding. None of the shares are pledged. 55.69% is with the non-institutional investors. In that, 53.82% is held by the individual investors. There is investment by mutual funds in 3 schemes, which accounts to 0.19%. The shareholder pattern analysis bases on quarter-on-quarter data, that is the last 2 quarters. There has been no change in the promoter holding. No FII holdings in BCC Fuba India during this last 2 quarters. No changes in the mutual fund holding. No insurance holdings in this company during these last 2 quarters. No change in the other DII holdings. No change in the holdings by the non-institutional investors. Now coming to the financials for the standalone quarterly period. The net sales has been increasing over these periods. The company has turned positive this period with respect to net profit and operating profit margin. Financials of March 2019 and December 2009, quarter to quarter. The net sales has increased by 274.73% in March 2019 versus 8.9% in December 2018. The operational profit increases by 693.86%. Net profit increased by 473.81%. Operating profit margin is up by 11.13% compared to the previous period. Business segmentation, which is made on annual basis. The major categories are transformer, PCB and trading. Transformer has contributed 60.32% to sales. PCB, which has the highest capital allocation, contributes only 26.24% to sales. Trading has contributed 13.43% to sales. Now coming to the caution. You can look at these charts and see that printed circuits have generated the highest revenue in the previous years. But in this quarter, there has been a drastic change in the results, and the contribution of another category to sales is at a very high percentage. There is a big leap in the revenue for March 2009 quarterly result, which is because of the transformer business. Can be a one-time event. So I suggest it's better to look out for the next quarter results to see whether there can be a continuous increase in the revenue or not. Looking forward, the stock has momentum to move forward if the next quarterly results are good. Future of PCB manufacturers. PCB industry is already a fast-growing industry, with some studies estimating that the market will grow from $63.5 billion US, which was in 2016, to $73.8 billion US in 2021. It will reach 60.58% and became the mainstream of the market in the world. Labor force driven. Because all the electronic devices need PCB, the market is huge. It is relatively a mature and labor force driven industry. So you will see manufacturing mainly located in China, and India has a big advantage because of this. As for the investment opportunity analysis of PCB industry, there are many new opportunities for PCB. You can talk about dimensions of Apple new kinetic energy, automobile electronics, and 5G high frequency and high speed are the main focus for PCB's growth investment. Demand for the electric vehicles to PCB has increased significantly in the recent time. Under the electrification and the intelligent two-wheel drive, the automobile electronic market has been expanding rapidly, which is maintaining an annual growth rate of more than 15% in the recent years, which also drives the PCB market upward. PCBs are also enjoying high demand in different verticals like telecommunication, automotive. Investors with a high risk tolerance can look at this stock and they can be rewarded with multi-bagger returns. This content is intended to be used and must be used for education purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel to watch the upcoming videos, and thank you.